Hello guys, hope you all are good. Welcome to another interesting video on our behavior channel. In this today's video, we are going to understand the graphs basically in domain of travel. So we are going to learn about travel distance by hour, travel distance per hour. So this is our video 9 on understanding statistics in factory simulation Flexsim using dashboards. We have already created 8 videos on this, so if you haven't watched those videos, go on our channel and we already have a playlist created for it. You can watch those 8 videos so that you will understand all the details for the graphs related to statistical analysis in Flexsim. So we haven't created a video on zone and milestone. We will be creating the videos on zone and milestone, and we will be uploading those videos on our premium content. You can access those from our website beawarechannel.com. So currently let us begin the travel graphs in dashboard. So this is the same model which we have been using from video 1 to 8, but the only difference you might be seeing is that we have operators in this video simulation model. So if you could look at, we have assigned operator 1, operator 2, operator 3 basically, okay, and there is the fourth operator which is servicing these 3 queues and transferring the materials onto this processor 4. So we have created a travel distance graph here, okay, so we have dragged in and we have selected 4 operators in here, okay. And so the significance of the travel distance, if you could look at, this is basically going to give you the length in meters. So how much distance the operator has traveled, if you want to calculate that, you can do it by using this travel distance graph, okay. So here you can change the units in inches, feet, yards, miles, kilometers, millimeters. I have basically mentioned it in meters. So we are going to get this distance in meters. So what you are able to see is that the operator 2 has highest travel distance, then the second highest is basically the operator 4. So this is our operator 4 which is having the second highest, and this is our operator 2 which is having the first highest travel in meters. It's almost 145 meters. Okay, so this is what is the significance of this chart. It is going to give us how much distance the operator has traveled. So there is another graph in this section, that is travel distance by hour. So by hour you are going to get a line chart, okay, that every interval which you have assigned here, okay. So this graph would be travel distance by minute, but if you change the interval to hour, you are going to get this same. So our interval we have changed it to minute and the length units are in meters. So what you are able to see here is that every minute, okay, I am going to get these as my distance traveled distances. So the operator 1 is in blue color, operator 2 is in orange color. So here if you could show, operator 2 is highest walking, then second highest is operator 4. You get it on the time it gets plotted, how the distance traveled varies with respect to time. This is the significance and the importance of this graph, travel distance by hour. And our third graph in this category comes out to be travel distance per hour. So before that we go to this graph, I would like to bring to notice that please do like, share this video, and do definitely comment the video, because it is very important for us to reach to maximum people and grow our channel. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and register on our website beawarechannel.com so that you get access to all premium contents and free contents exclusively for our Behavior community. So do not forget to like our video, share our video, and do subscribe to our channel. It really motivates us to bring in new videos for us. Please do comment whatever, even if you comment hi, it's thankful for us, but do not just skip it. Do comment, do like, it really motivates us. So let us talk about the third graph now, which is travel distance by hour. So here we are having two types of graphs. One is stable and another is bar chart. We have selected bar chart. Okay. In this bar chart, what we are going to do is we are going to have distance traveled in meters. We are going to have an interval, which is again I have kept it as 1 minute, and then we have this distance display, which is distance traveled. So now if you look at this, is basically giving me the interval. So our model units are basically in seconds. So we have run a model for 3 minutes. Okay, so it is going to give me, okay, what is the average distance traveled per minute. So I'll just make this a bit faster so that we have a distance and getting calculated and encapsulated for 3 minutes. So if you could look at, so 12 is for operator 1, which is for first minute. So if you multiply by 3, you will get this. Similarly, it goes down, it goes down, it goes down like this. You're going to get it. So this way, this graph's travel distance per hour is going to give you. So whenever you want to find out a distance, okay, a total distance for a particular runtime, okay, particular runtime you are running for. So I am running for 3 minutes. So in that duration, if you want to find out the travel distance by the operators, you need to use a graph named as travel distance. Okay. Now, if you want to know the distance traveled by the operator getting plotted against the timing, okay, then you need to use travel distance by our graph. And if you want to know the average traveled distance by the operator per hour basis, per minute basis, or whatever particular interval you want to set in, then you need to use this travel distance per hour graph. So the question for this video is, what is the major difference between these three graphs? Do comment us in the comment section and let us see in the next upcoming interesting video on our behavior channel. So this is our last video on statistics and analysis. Let us know in the comment section if you want to have any another video on statistics or analysis related to a specific graph. We will try to bring into the picture on your channel so you can watch the video. So just let us know your views in the comment section so that we know what type of videos you like and what type of videos we need to bring in future. So this is our last video on dashboards and statistics. Let us meet with another interesting topic on factory simulation and Flexsim. Till then, stay safe, stay simulating.